If you're trying to run a business in 2025, you already know this. You need AI for writing, research, images, videos, automation, everything when you really think about it. But here's the problem. To get the best AI tools, you basically have to subscribe to all of them. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, Nano Banana, Grok, the list just keeps growing. And your bank account, it keeps shrinking. At one point, I was paying $180 per month just to access the top models across different platforms. That's over $2,000 a year gone. But recently, I found one tool that replaced all of them for just $8 a month. Yes, that's around £6 when you think about it from a conversion perspective. Today, I'm going to show you how I cut my AI costs by over 90% and whether this $8 platform is actually too good to be true. Alright, so the platform we're looking at today is called i10x. This is an all-in-one AI platform that gives you access to basically every major AI model inside one dashboard. We're talking ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Gemini, Grok, Nano Banana, and more, all in the same workspace under the same subscription, starting at just $8 a month once again. Well, if you fancy trying this now and not waiting to the end of the video, you have two options: the free plan or use the code down below for an extra 15% off the paid plan. Alright, now let me show you exactly what I found when I was testing this fantastic product. So when you sign up, this is what your dashboard actually looks like. You will notice right away how many tools are inside this thing: chat, images, videos, agents, workflows, research tools. It's basically like having 10 AI apps combined into one. Hence why the name probably. I don't know, we need to speak to the founders when it comes to that perspective. But anyway, let's start with something simple: AI chat. This works the same way as ChatGPT, but here's the difference. You can choose from multiple models: GPT 5.1, Claude 4.5, Perplexity, Gemini, Grok, and much more, all once again inside one platform. That alone saves me more than £60 a month when you really think about it, from the breakdown of these fantastic features that I mentioned for a fraction of the cost. Then you got Chat Arena, which is a killer feature from my perspective, but the real magic is the tool on the left, Chat Arena. This lets you pit two AI models against each other to see which gives the best results. I use AI a lot for marketing content, so let's test it. Here's the prompt: write a professional email announcing a new course about AI productivity. And you can literally compare outputs instantly, and whichever one performs best for your business, that becomes your go-to. This feature alone eliminates buying separate subscriptions just to test which one works the best. Now let's say I need an image for the email we just wrote. I don't need to switch tools because i10x has image generation built right in. And best of all, it has my favorite image model, Nano Banana Pro. The quality on this is insane. So the prompt will look something like this: a banner image for a social media post promoting a new webinar about digital marketing for small businesses. And as you can see, clean, professional, exactly the vibe you want. Let's try another image. Eye-catching Instagram post showing entrepreneurs celebrating success with digital tools, vibrant colors, high quality, modern illustration style. And voila, again, pure quality. And it's at this point I realized, as an entrepreneur, I no longer need Midjourney, Dell, Leonardo, nothing. Another £30 to £50 per month saved. And as you know, I talk about this a lot on this channel. The most important thing for you as a business owner, entrepreneur, whatever, is to make a significant profit at the end of each month. And what better way to increase your profit by cutting waste, or fat as I call it, from your business? Okay, so we've covered text and images, but here's where things get really crazy, and I mean really crazy. i10x lets you generate videos too. That means instead of paying separately for Runway, Pika, or Sora Axis, you can use everything here. For creators and entrepreneurs, this is a game changer from my perspective. But here's the thing: the most powerful feature inside i10x is the agent marketplace. These are basically pre-built, highly optimized AI workers, copywriters, researchers, marketers, SEO specialists, blog writers, customer support bots, sales assistants, video script writers, title generators. You can create your own or browse hundreds of pre-built ones. And here's where entrepreneurs will really love this from my perspective. You can build a custom chatbot for your business using any public web page as a knowledge base. And that means your customers can chat instead of emailing you. Your support workload drops, you save money on staffing, you respond instantly, and your customer experience improves overnight. This is the kind of automation big companies use, but accessible for £6 a month. And remember, this is still part of the $8 a month plan. This is where I realized I didn't just save money, I completely transformed how my business operates. Alright, let's talk numbers because I'm a numbers guy. You know the famous phrase by Jay-Z, men lie, women lie, numbers don't. I stick to that to a T. But here's what I used to pay. Tool-wise, monthly cost, yearly cost, ChatGPT Pro, £20, $240 for the entire year. Claude Pro, $18 a month, $216 for the entire year. Gemini Advanced, $18 per month, $216 for the entire year. Perplexity Pro, £20 per month, $240 for the entire year. Midjourney, which is £24 a month, is $288 for the entire year. Runway is at £28 per month, which is $336 for the entire year. And then you have miscellaneous add-ons, things that are tested that weren't really working well with. That's around £40 a month, which is around $480 for the entire year. Total yearly cost is more than £2,000 and sometimes even more depending on all the miscellaneous activities. With i10X, £6 a month, £72 for the year. Total saving, $1,944 per year. Basically $2,000 saved. That's exactly why I made this video. Not because AI tools are bad, but because entrepreneurs need them to keep the operations lean. Because you do want to have a huge profit margin at the end of the year. And the way you get that is by looking after your costs extensively. And this definitely allows you to do just that. So there you have it. One platform that replaces ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Nano Banana, Sora, and a bunch of other AI tools for just $8 per month. If you want to try i10X for yourself, click the first link in the description. You can use their free plan right away. Use my code RC15 for an extra 15% off the paid plan. This tool changed the way I run my businesses, cut my AI expense by over 90%, and saved me almost $2,000 in 1 year. Anyways, it's time for me to wrap up this video, and if you did find this video helpful, you know exactly what you need to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and more importantly, tap the notification bell. I'm rounding this video up like I said I would, and I will see you on the next video where we are of course going to be talking about more business, finance, and entrepreneurship like we just did. Take care now. Bye bye.